Nature is the world around us.
We, all human beings, depends on nature every time and for everything.
Many people admire the beauty of nature, and even they write many novels and poems on it.
This is because the beauty of nature cannot be expressed in one single word.
It provides the humans, animals, and all the living beings on the earth a place to live with the joy of natural resources.
Paludarium, also called aquaterrium or waterfall aquarium, is the fusion of an aquarium with a terrarium.
We start the project with a group discussion of what kind of paludarium we want and a landscape design that fits our criteria.
For main design, we use the foam board to separate land and aquatic areas.
We also use it to produce the main structure for the waterfall and river.
We make holes on the foam to allow water circulation around the biofilter.
We put mesh to prevent the biofilter from mixing up with the river sand.
For the first layer of substrate, we use lava rock and then with ceramic bioring.
We use this material because they can colonize bacteria that will decompose nitrogenous waste, ammonia, nitrite, as well as nitrate efficiently.
For hardscape, we use silicone to attach dragonstone to cover structure and make it look natural. Before we lay the soil, we put a filter mat to prevent the soil from mixing with the water.
For the soil mixture, we mix organic soil with sphagnum moss to help in absorbing the water for moisture.
For the aquatic area, we use river sand as the main substrate.
For soapscape, we use plants such as rockweed, mosses, duckweed, bussap, and foxtail fern.
For planting in rocky areas, we will place sphagnum moss first before planting.
We use betta fish this time because betta fish are able to survive in waters with low oxygen content. And the betta fish that we use this time is half moon plakat with a fancy red base.
We use 5-watt water pump to pump the water and produce waterfalls.
For lighting, we use LED lights that will turn on for 6 hours a day.
For daily care, the paludarium will be sprayed with chlorine-free water or using a mist maker to provide the moisture.
We make paludarium because we want to create the sense of calm, like being in the forest.
We make Paludarium because we want to recreate a unique environment for growth and sustainability of an ecosystem.
We make Paludarium because we want to show the beauty of Mother Nature and the symbiotic relations that can happen in land and aquatic ecosystems.
We make Paludarium because it's a great team building activity and we enjoy making it together.
We made a paludarium not only because it enhanced the look of our home's interior, but it also gives a relaxing effect as watching the fish swim and observing the animals can help us feel relaxed and calm.